Alright, cool. Now let's head to Atlantic City, where we'll be at the beach and in a hotel. Because I'm not sleeping in 98-degree weather. Just made it to the hotel in Atlantic City. It's very nice. Very spacious. There's a shower here. Those are weird. There's a bed here. Those are strange. Wow. Cool. Alright, let's go out to the beach. I guess I'll use my phone too, because for some reason the camera's been a lot of streaks on, and obviously you've seen my phone, the quality is not that great, but I mean, I guess it'd be cool to have some sort of like double angle stuff like we've been doing before. The Ferris wheel has stopped. Hopefully they're letting people off. Stand up in it, because I'm a boss. Before I get that emergency warning and tell me to sit down. City over there. Whoa, camera. Both are really bad quality. I wonder where Caesar's is. Be down there somewhere. It's nights like these and views like these, cities like these, make me really thankful I can do this stuff. At least if it's for a year, for 2 years, for 5 years, a career. I'm very thankful, and thankful for all you guys obviously for watching all of these, but very grateful to be in a position where I can do this. I appreciate all the friends and family who have along the way got me where I am today, because they're byproducts of the reason I'm here today too. Well, there are reasons I'm here today. I'm not sure if that's the correct wording or not, but you know what I mean.
Okay, one after you go. That was a perfect shot. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Take your time. That's one. Take your time. One.
the room. Got some pizza. A place called Gino's. It's highly recommended online. Hopefully it's pretty good. It looks like it's pretty good though. Got some waters. We're good to go. Alright, I'm gonna have a good night. Hope you guys have a good night too. See you in the morning.